Hey, what's up guys? Josh from TrailBuilt, and this is the moment we've all been waiting for all of you that have entered into the Method Race Wheels giveaway. This is the moment where we're gonna be picking the winner. So it's been a long time since we originally started the giveaway over 2 months ago. COVID did not help that out at all. But the good news is out of the 400 original t-shirts that we ordered for the Method Race Wheel giveaway, only 239 of them were sold, which means your odds of winning are really good. So you're definitely gonna wanna smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. Before we get into announcing the winner of the 5 Method Race Wheels, we wanted to say how much that we appreciate each and every one of you for your contributions in buying a t-shirt and also your donations to help out Team Rubicon. With all of your support, we were able to raise just under $2,600. So we're gonna be sending Team Rubicon a check to help in their continuing of their noble efforts to rebuild communities after a natural disaster strikes. Plus, we wanted to give a huge shout out to Method Race Wheels for partnering up with us for a chance to give away a set of their wheels. We definitely appreciate it. It was a great giveaway, and we're gonna go announce the winner. All right guys, so because we're off-roaders, we're not just gonna do this giveaway announcement the easy way. So what we did is went out and we picked up 10 soccer balls, and what we did is every entrant that was in the Method Race Wheels giveaway, we correlated a number to their name and then entered it into a Google number generator, which gave us 10 numbers. And what we did is associated those numbers with the people's names in sequential order so that it was completely random. So we put each one of those 10 names that were picked, those 10 numbers that were picked, and wrote them on a soccer ball, and they're all correlating to each one of your names. And then what we did is we put the soccer balls in this black basket behind me, and we're gonna have Brent drive around and do a bunch of crazy stuff, and whatever soccer ball is left at the end and still in that basket is going to be the winner of a set of 5 Method Race Wheels. So with that said, let's go ahead and get those soccer balls loaded and let's go. On your marks, get set, go! I can't believe that worked. Holy cow, Brent. I don't know.
Ah, there is one left, right there.
Jesus.
Check it out.
No way.
We got some good air too.
Whose is it? I don't know.
Hurry up.
I don't know where the number is.
Number 6.
Number 6. Number 6.
Awesome.
I don't know who number 6 is.
You got your paperwork?
So here we go, guys. I can't believe that actually worked. All right, there you go. So what I did is I put everybody was on this giveaway entry list here. So with a random number generator, oh, here we go.
Who is it?
I don't know. There's number 5.
Who is it?
I got it. All right, guys. We need a drum roll. All right, so number 6, the winner of the Method Race Wheels, a set of 5 Method Race Wheels, is Matthew Sova of Wisconsin. Congratulations, Matthew Sova. You won a set of Method Race Wheels. So that is super excited. I'm pumped up. I got goosebumps. I'm so excited for you. That is awesome. Thank you to all of you for entering in for your chance to win the set of Method race wheels. We appreciate all of your contributions. Appreciate you guys watching our channel and all of your support. Again, thank you to all of you for participating in the Method race wheels giveaway. Remember, for your wheels, tires, suspension, accessories for your Jeep or off-road rig, make sure and head on over to our website at trailbuiltoffroad.com. Other than that, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trailbuilt, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.